Today, I want to share an aesthetic and delicious recipe for a snack with pumpkin and brie cheese. This option is perfect for those who love light but sophisticated dishes that not only please the eye, but also take care of your health. This snack not only looks stylish, but is also healthy, with minimal calories and packed with vitamins and fiber. For comparison, a classic bruschetta with brie has 265 calories, while our pumpkin version has only 139. All the ingredients and detailed instructions are in the description under this video. We will be making 2 pumpkin bruschettas and will count the calories for the whole dish. Let's start with the pumpkin. I've chosen butternut squash. It's sweet and pairs perfectly with the cheese. Cut the pumpkin into slices about 1.5 to 2 centimeters thick and remove the seeds. We'll need about 200 grams of pumpkin, 100 grams per bruschetta. Grease the parchment paper with 2 grams of butter. Lay the pumpkin slices on top and add another 2 grams of butter on each slice. For a delicate aroma, add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of honey. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius in the oven, or 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in the air fryer. While the pumpkin is in the oven, cut 40 grams of brie cheese. It will add a creamy, rich flavor. When the pumpkin is ready, sprinkle it with sea salt and cinnamon. Top with the brie. Add 6 grams of raisins and a few sprigs of thyme. It looks simply gorgeous. Return the bruschettas to the oven or air fryer for another 5 to 7 minutes to slightly melt the cheese. The snack is ready. It not only looks beautiful on the plate, but is also a perfect choice for a light dinner. Each bruschetta weighs 135 grams and has only 139 calories. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm always on the lookout for new recipes that help us stay fit while still enjoying delicious food. Bon appetit!